In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Huddles. Slack is an invaluable tool for team communication, and one of its standout features is the Huddle tool, a quick and easy way to set up spontaneous meetings with your team. Whether you're brainstorming ideas or need a quick catch-up, Slack Huddles can help keep your team connected and productive. To get started, you'll first need to access the Slack website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Slack URL. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it to begin logging into your account. Now, you'll see an option to sign in using Google. This is a convenient way to streamline your login process if your workspace supports Google authentication. Click on the Google button and follow the on-screen prompts to sign in with your Google account credentials. Once successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Slack homepage. Next, navigate to the home screen of your workspace. You can usually find it by clicking on the workspace name located in the sidebar on the left. The home page serves as the central hub for all your communications and activities, providing easy access to your channels and direct messages. Once on the home page, the next step is to find the channel where you want to initiate a huddle. Scroll through the channel list on the left-hand side and select the one you wish to join or create a huddle in. Slack makes channel organization straightforward, so finding your desired channel should be easy. Inside your chosen channel, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the Huddle icon. Click on it to start a call with your team. Huddles are designed to be fast and informal, like dropping by a coworker's desk for a quick chat. It's an effortless way to initiate voice conversations without the need for dialing or lengthy setup. If your microphone or headphones are connected and working, you'll be instantly connected with those in the huddle. As people in your channel join the huddle, you'll notice their icons appearing within the call, allowing for spontaneous collaboration. You can share quick updates, tackle pressing issues, or gather feedback in real time, all while staying connected to your team. Remember that the huddle can be joined by anyone in the channel who wishes to participate, making it an inclusive and flexible option for team communications. And that's it. You're now ready to utilize Slack Huddles effectively. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can significantly enhance your team's ability to communicate and collaborate. Happy huddling!